Tomorrow we will be seeing a lot of scenes just like the ones you see right over there. Students walking out of their classrooms, they say they're doing it in honor of the Stoneman Douglas high school shooting victims.
Wednesday, they will join a national movement to remember the victims of the Parkland shooting. The walkout happening at schools throughout the country, exactly 1 month after a gunman killed 17 students and staff.
I think it's incredible that the students are actually rising up and trying to be together as one. So this day is definitely something that's going to go down in history.
I watched an interview this morning and noticed that one of the questions was, do you think your children will have to go through other school shooter drills? And our response is that our neighbors will not have to go through other school shooter drills. When we have had our say with the government, and maybe the adults have gotten used to saying it is what it is, but if us students have learned anything, it's that if you don't study, you will fail. And in this case, if you actively do nothing, people continually end up dead. We are going to be the kids that you read about in textbooks, not because we are going to be another statistic about mass shootings in America, but because, just as David said, we are going to be the last mass shooting. We are going to change the law. That's going to be Marjory, Stoneman, Douglas in that textbook, and it's all going to be due to the tireless effort of the school board, the faculty members, the family members, and most importantly,